The sun is our life source, but it can also be deadly. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections could fry our electronics, destroy the magnetosphere, and leave Earth vulnerable to cosmic radiation. Imagine a world without internet, electricity, or communication, a complete collapse of society. Did you know that such an event nearly happened in 1859? How did we escape disaster back then? The Carrington event of 1859 was the most powerful solar storm ever recorded. Telegraph systems in Europe and America literally caught fire to the overwhelming electrical surge, and auroras were visible even in tropical regions. Luckily, humanity wasn't yet dependent on electricity, which saved us from chaos. Modern civilization is much more vulnerable to such events. A solar flare of similar intensity today could leave billions of people without power for months or even years. Earth's magnetosphere protects us from most solar threats, but a super powerful flare could overwhelm that shield. Scientists monitor solar activity using spacecraft like SOHO and Parker Solar Probe. Predictions and preventive measures can minimize damage if the next solar monster targets us. Solar flares remind us that even our most vital life source can turn into a threat if we underestimate it. 66 million years ago, an asteroid the size of a mountain struck Earth in what is now modern-day Mexico. This caused massive tsunamis, a dust cloud that blocked the sun, and mass extinction, including the dinosaurs. But here's the fascinating question: why didn't all life disappear? How did small mammals, our ancestors, survive to give rise to humanity? The answer lies ahead in this video. This asteroid, known as Chicxulub, was about 10 kilometers in diameter. It collided with Earth at a speed of approximately 20 kilometers per second, releasing energy equivalent to tens of billions of atomic bombs. The immediate impact was catastrophic. Atmospheric temperatures soared to thousands of degrees, incinerating everything in its path. However, the initial impact wasn't the only problem. It triggered a nuclear winter. Dust and soot blocked sunlight for years, halting photosynthesis and collapsing food chains. Giant reptiles couldn't adapt to these conditions, but small mammals survived by being omnivorous and seeking shelter underground. Interestingly, the location of the impact influenced the scale of the disaster. If the asteroid had hit the Pacific Ocean, the effects might have been less severe. But striking a sulfur-rich area intensified the catastrophe. This event reminds us that asteroids are a real threat. That's why modern programs like NASA's DART are designed to prevent similar disasters in the future. Stars die in spectacular yet deadly ways. A supernova explosion can destroy all life within several light years. Gamma radiation from such an explosion can obliterate a planet's atmosphere. There's even a theory that one such event affected Earth 2 million years ago, causing mass extinctions in the oceans. But what saved us back then? Was it sheer luck or something unique about our planet? Supernovae are explosions of massive stars at the end of their life cycle. During this process, immense energy is released, impacting planets up to 30 light-years away. Evidence suggests a nearby supernova occurred around 2 million years ago. This event might have weakened Earth's ozone layer, increased cosmic radiation, and altered the climate. However, Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field managed to shield the planet from total annihilation. Gamma ray bursts accompanying supernovae are among the most destructive phenomena in the universe. They can wipe out life even on distant planets. Fortunately, no known star capable of becoming a supernova is within a dangerous distance from us. This highlights how Earth's unique position in space protects us from many threats, but also serves as a reminder of our vulnerability in the vastness of the cosmos. Think Earth is safe. Think again, even the entire Milky Way is at risk. In 4.5 billion years, our galaxy will collide with Andromeda. Stars will mix, and planets could be flung into freezing darkness or scorched by new star formations. But here's the good news. Did you know the odds of direct star collisions are incredibly low? What does this mean for us? The Milky Way and Andromeda are hurtling toward each other at about 110 kilometers per second. In billions of years, they will merge into a single massive galaxy, already nicknamed Mokomata by astronomers. While most stars won't collide, gravitational interactions will cause massive changes. Some planets could be ejected into intergalactic space, making them uninhabitable due to the lack of heat and light. However, Earth might survive if the solar system ends up in a stable part of the new galaxy. The galactic merger could also activate black holes at the galactic centers, creating new dangers, but also opportunities to study the cosmos. Black holes are cosmic monsters that devour everything in their path. But what if one appeared near our solar system? Gravitational anomalies, disrupted planetary orbits, and Earth's complete destruction. And this isn't science fiction. Astronomers have already discovered several black holes relatively close to us. So how are we still safe? Black holes form when massive stars collapse, creating gravitational forces so strong that even light can't escape. One of the most famous black holes, Sagittarius A, sits safely at the center of our galaxy. But what if a lesser-known black hole came closer? Even a small black hole passing through the solar system could disrupt planetary orbits. Earth could be ejected into deep space or sucked into the black hole, leading to complete annihilation. Fortunately, the chances of such a scenario are extremely low. Most known black holes are far away. However, scientists continue searching for hidden black holes that could pose a threat. Black holes remind us that even science cannot guarantee absolute safety. They're both a danger and an opportunity to study extreme cosmic conditions, revealing new frontiers of science. As we've seen, our home, planet Earth, has miraculously survived countless cosmic catastrophes. But that's no reason for complacency. We live in a dynamic universe, and threats can arise from anywhere. Our strength lies in knowledge and preparation. If you found this topic fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more. Let's explore the mysteries of the cosmos together. See you in space.